Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm here with a paneer dish or paneer korma. As we all know, paneer is an Indian cheese that is high in nutritive value. It has several health benefits. They contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. It helps to fight rheumatoid arthritis. They are rich in protein, magnesium and potassium. They are good for bone health and it also keeps hair and skin healthy. Paneer should be part of your daily diet, especially if you are a vegetarian. So now let's move on to the recipe. I'm using 200 grams of paneer blocks for the dish. I'm going to cut this into medium-sized square pieces. I have received 12 square pieces from the block. Now I'm going to pan fry this. Heat some oil and fry the paneer pieces until they turn golden on both the sides. Once it turns brown, remove from flame and set aside. Now let's move on to the ingredients for the masala. First, I'm going to chop some coriander leaves. Dry roast 1 tablespoon of besan or gram flour. Dry roast for 1 minute until the raw flavor goes off. Then transfer it to a grinding jar. For the seasoning, I am adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 cup of fried onions, cashew nuts almost 10 pieces, some coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of beaten curd. Grind all the ingredients to a fine paste and set aside. Next, to a heated pot, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Whole spices, which include half teaspoon of peppercorns, cinnamon stick, green cardamom, cloves and bay leaf. Next goes in the onion paste. I've taken 2 medium-sized onions. Stir and cook until the onions turn brown. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Continue to cook until the raw smell goes off. Once the onions turn brown, let's add in the grinded masala. Pour 1 cup of water. Add salt as per taste. Add some kasthuri methi or fenugreek leaves for flavor. Simmer and cook until the oil starts to separate. Next goes in half cup of cooked green peas, garam masala 1 teaspoon, next goes in half cup of cream, continue to simmer. Now the oil has started to separate. Let's add in the paneer pieces. Finally, garnish with some coriander leaves and fresh cream. Now, the Paneer Matar Korma is ready to serve. You can enjoy the dish with chapati or naan. It will also go good with rice too. So hope you all enjoyed the dish. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.